Hi, Judd here. Time to get started on this project. And I don't know how far we're going to get today, but we're going to have a shot at it. It's a little bit cool, but it's going to get even colder Friday. I'm just going to get underway and see what I can get done. First step is I got to get these stairs out of the way. They're just sitting here, but the grass has grown in around them. There's another thing that needs to be repaired. Whoops. Okay. So that's that. And now we gotta get this panel off. There we go. Ah, damn it, it's tucked under the other one. Here you can see where the dry rot extends to. Okay, it just goes out to about here. Looks pretty decent after that. Good. Yeah, let's take this one off. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one off too. And here you see the problem with getting this panel off is after it was applied, I banged over this end piece that was sticking past instead of cutting it, and there's some screws under there that, you know, are now blocked. So if I have to get that out, I'll come back and do one, but I think just hanging there freely now will let me access what I need to access in here. So we'll just let that hang for now. Okay, looks like I am going to have to get this off because I've got to get at this. So, that ain't working. I'm going to have to pry this open and get those screws out. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now we have the corner exposed, and actually not bad, that's not rotted or anything, so that's good. But I have to get this bit of plywood here out and have the boards come under there. And I'll probably just replace this whole end tab that was ad-libbed in when I replace parts of this board. Okay, next thing I got to put supports under these joists so when I cut this off I don't lose them. They don't drop down and screw things up. Okay, so all right. Got a couple of boards and jacks under here to keep everything in place while I take off what I have to of that front board. There, I'm gonna take off another screw right here. Yep. Okay, good. This screw was obviously put in before this board. There we go. Good. Good. Just to let you know what's going on here, I was hammering this board out, hoping these nails would release, but those are holding, and the ones in this board, which has to stay, are ripping out. So I'm not happy about that. Oh, good. Yes. Okay, that's going to be a wrap for today. Whew. Good job. Happy day to you.